Hey guys, I'm Shaizor here from Techno Unboxing, and today I'll be doing Redmi 8 durability test. The Redmi 8 giveaway is going on my channel. If you haven't participated yet, participate now. Link is in the description. So let's get started. Xiaomi recently launches the Redmi 8 and let's see if it can survive my durability test. First, let's scratch the phone with the things we use in our daily life. So first, let's scratch the display with the coin. This phone comes with a 6.22 inches HD Plus display with a Corning Gorilla Glass 5. I'm also gonna try to scratch the display very hard to see how this phone holds up. After scratching with the coins for a few seconds, now let's scratch the display with the key. After scratching with the coins and keys, we can already see some scratches on the display. It gets deeper scratches with the keys. Now let's also scratch it with the knife. Now I'm gonna scratch it more harder. And the result is pretty good. You can see the scratches all over the display. And now let's do the burn test. This phone has a resolution of 1520 by 720p with 270 pixels per inch. It took about 12 seconds to make the screen goes black from my flame. As this is a LCD, when the phone cools down, the pixels fully recovered and fully functional again. And also the phone is cool to the touch within a few seconds. Now let's scratch the volume rockers, power button and the sides. This is the plastic buttons. And also the entire side panel made of plastic as well. So need to be a little careful as sharp things can leave a mark on the back panel. Let's also scratch the other sides. The Redmi 8 has plastic layer between the body and the screen of the phone. As we are doing extreme scratch test, so I'm gonna try to scratch it as harder as I can. The top and bottom of this phone is plastic as well. As you can see the scratches, and I also scratch it very hard to see how durable it is. The camera lens is made of a glass, so it may not get scratches with my knife. Redmi 8 has a dual camera setup at the back, 12 megapixel main camera and a 2 megapixel depth sensor camera. And now scratching the fingerprint sensor, which is just below the camera. Let's scratch the fingerprint sensor more harder. And the fingerprint sensor is not working. Let me try again. And no, it's not working. It says couldn't add fingerprint, try again. And as soon as I put my finger on the fingerprint sensor, it starts heating up the fingerprint sensor. The back panel is plastic and the plastic is cheaper than the glass as this is a budget smartphone. And I must say that this phone is very strong. and the build quality is great in this budget. Now I'm gonna try to scratch very hard. Also gonna hit it with the knife. Here's the result, and the result seems to be pretty interesting. And also, as you can see, the little holes. Now let's do the hammer test. First, let's just hit the display normally. Now let's hit the display more harder. The phone is still working. Now let's do the bend test. First, let's bend the phone from the screen side. Still working. Let's try bending from the back side. The phone is really solid. So yeah, Redmi 8 survived my durability test. And to make this video a little more interesting, let's break this phone. And this is how the phone looks like. The phone is completely smashed. And also, let me give you a quick look of this phone from inside. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you really enjoyed. For more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and click that bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. And also follow my social media. The links will be in the description below.